Welcome back to another session with me on Rashar Prep. Today we are going to deal with the topic mode under continuous series. So here I have a question given to me: calculate mode based on the given values. So we have been given our class interval and we have been given frequency. So now we are supposed to do the grouping table. So if you haven't seen my video related to mode discrete series, here is the quick glimpse of the grouping table rules. Our first column values will be taken from the frequency that is given to us in the question, and all the other values will be calculated based on the numbers that are in the first column. Okay, so here in our first column I have already written the frequency values, and here when it comes to the column number 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, so now in my second column the rule states that you are supposed to group the values into twos. Okay, so here once I group these into twos, it will be 36, and then here we have 76, and this will be 39. In the third column we are going to group it into twos by leaving the first value, which is 12, that is 24, 36, 33 and 38. So here we will be having 40, 50, 60, here 71 and here 60. Okay, let's go ahead with the fourth column. Here we are supposed to group the frequencies into threes: 12, 24 and 36, 38, 33 and 6. Okay, so this will be 40, 77, and the top one will be how much? 72. The fifth column says leave the first value and group the remaining into threes: 24, 36 and 38. After that we have only two values left, which is 33 and 6. Okay, so in that case we cannot consider it. So what do? We should be adding 24 plus 36 plus 38. Okay, so 76, 80, this will be 100. Okay, now when it comes to the last column, leave the first two values and and group it into threes. So 36, 38 and 33. So this will be 72, 77, 87, 97 and this is 107. Okay, I made a small counting error here. This value is 98. Okay, so you do not have 100, it is 98. So these are the values that I have got in my grouping table. The next thing what we are going to do is we are going to circle the highest numbers from each of these columns. So here in column 1 I have 38, column 2 76, column 3 71, here 77, 98 and 107. So these are the values that we are going to mark in analysis table. Okay, so in analysis table let's put the values of the class intervals. So our class interval starts from 0 to 6, 6 to 12, 12 to 18, 18 to 24, 24 to 30, 30 to 36. Now let's take a look at the highest value in the first column. So our highest value in the first column is 38. The corresponding class to 38 is 18 to 24. So now let's put a tick mark in 18 to 24. In the second column, what is the highest value that we have? So in second column the highest value is 76, which we got by adding 36 and 38. So the corresponding values are 12 to 18 and 18 to 24. So here let me put a tick mark, 12 to 18 and 18 to 24. Now let's go back to column 3. 71 is the highest value which we got by adding 38 and 33. So the corresponding values are 18 to 24 and 24 to 30. So let's put a tick mark. 18 to 24, 24 to 30. Now, next highest number we got 77 by adding 38, 33 and 6. All these three values. So the corresponding values we should be ticking. That is, we have from 18 to 24, 24 to 30 and 30 to 36. Now, the next column we have 98 as the highest value which we got by adding 24, 36 and 38. So my values are here 6 to 12, 12 to 18 and 18 to 24. The last column 107, here our corresponding values will start from 12 to 18, 18 to 24 and 24 to 30. Now here we are supposed to make the total of each column. Here it is 0, we have 1, then we have 3, then we have 6 tick marks here, then again 3 and 1. So how many highest number of analysis table values do you have? You have 6 as the highest analysis table. Since it is continuous series, we are supposed to find using the formula where mod equal to L1 plus delta 1 by delta 1 plus delta 2 into I. So here L1 is lower limit. Okay, so delta value calculation I will show you. I, whereas I is the class interval of the model class. Okay, so this is the class interval, and here delta 1 and delta 2 I will show you. So first thing, we located our mode at 18 to 24. Okay, so 18 to 24, what is the corresponding frequency? So 18 to 24 we have 38. So 38 is the frequency. What is the value above 38 in frequency column? It is 36. The value below 38 is 33. Okay, so when you subtract this delta value, okay, delta minus this preceding value, you get delta 1. Okay, when you subtract this, you get your delta 2. So this is how our calculation happens. Now here let's see, our lower limit is 18, our delta 1 equal to 38 minus 36, our delta 2 equal to 38 minus 33, and I equal to any upper limit minus lower limit you do. That is, you can do 30 minus 24, 36 minus 30, anything you do, you get your answer as 6. Okay, so now let me substitute all of these values. Mod equal to 18 plus 38 minus 36, which is 2, 38 minus 33, which is 5. So 2 by 2 plus 5 into 6, which gives you 18 plus 2 by 7 into 6. So you will be getting the final answer, this 2 by 7 and into 6. The final answer after calculation, you will be getting 18 plus 1.71, which is 19.71. So this is how you will be calculating mode under continuous series. Okay, so take a look at the practice problems. You can try out these problems and verify your answers, which are written in red colored ink. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to Rashad Prep. Thank you for watching, and please post your doubts or anything related to other topics which you would like in the comment section below.